Hi YouTube and welcome to another build showcase video. In this one we're making a French style leather long wallet. We will be using these templates and a natural vegetable tan leather which has already been prepared with oils and dyes. If you want to make a long wallet like this yourself, there will be a full step-by-step video on the 3rd of June and a PDF pattern is available on my Etsy page. First things first, as always, we mark and cut out our pieces and prepare for work. After, we bevel the edges and thin down needed pieces to right thickness. Then quickly sand and finish the edges with toconol. If you like the video, please consider subscribing as it will help this channel grow. We now move on to the coin pouch. Glue in the zipper and let it dry. Then jump to the card pockets and do the same, glue and stitch it up. After the glue dried, we stitch up the zipper part. When you finish your card pockets, stitch it up in the middle to get more slots. It's now time for another round of sanding and finishing the edges with toconol. Now we move on to the flaps. Before doing anything, mark your edges and your holes. Then connect the flaps to the coin pouch as shown. After all that, finish the bottom of the coin pouch with thread. Here, we prepare the holes for card slots. Then, using templates, trace out spots where the panels will go on the inside. After, glue it all in. Time to punch all holes on the inside panel. When done, stitch up the bottom panel parts like so. And the moment of truth, we will glue our inside panel to the main back panel. Make sure to use plenty of glue and place it accurately. After the glue has dried, we finish the edges by sanding and beveling them. Then we make our last holes and stitch it all up to form a beautiful French style long wallet. Of course, don't forget to finish your edges with toconol or whatever dye you desire. If not, the edges will look really rough. And there you have it, a French style leather long wallet. The build is pretty easy and does not require a lot of skill, but time and patience is still essential. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on another one.